Want to say hi, Laura?
Oh shit, this is recording?
This is live right now.
Hi. Oh.
Hi.
Wait, so I'm not supposed to be here. Can you... Parole officers. This is my first time doing this. Did you already tweet?
Yeah,
Did I retweet?
the Xtra Mile account should have tweeted out, like, live.
I'm not sure how much we should really acknowledge. Oh yeah, are we breaking down the third wall right now? Are we supposed to just...
You can do whatever you want. I think...
Well, I think the fourth wall, is it the fourth, with wall, how many walls are there?
Well, I think because,
All
you know,
wall.
like on TV shows, there's that wall, and then the background, you never
the
see.
fourth wall, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think since it's stage versus TV
So what are you doing when you're breaking down the third wall? Any of the other walls?
You're just
We're just
destroying the
expanding your
set.
kitchen into the living room.
You're remodeling.
Okay, well we're building the walls right now and then we'll break them down later. I feel like you should tell them about that wall in the store that you went into, the one with all the... Well, Pink Floyd, The Wall, I think is probably my favorite Pink Floyd album. Sure. If I had to pick one about walls, you know? Yeah, but I mean at the belt store. At the belt store? Yeah. No, this is not a good proper segue. That was a joke just for you, Alan. It was...
So good. We obviously missed out.
So good. So where do you think the majority of people are watching from right now? Do you think it's more the majority of people are in the US or in the UK right now?
Well, it's after midnight in the UK.
So only the up all nighters,
Yeah,
really
the party
hardcore,
hard people.
hard Xtra Mile fans in the UK are watching right now.
Yeah.
Is this kind of like Snapchat too, but video? Like
Kind
it
of.
doesn't exist after it's been filmed, right?
You can save it afterwards, but I don't think...
Can we tell who saved
I don't think it stays on...
Yeah, can you tell who saved it? Basically what
Yeah.
I'm saying is that is Periscope next in line for becoming the app that everyone uses to hook up or cheat with somebody with?
I don't know.
I think it's more like the app you use to like broadcast yourself hooking up with someone else's girlfriend and destroying
This is like
relationships
next
that
level
way.
sex tape shit.
Yeah, that could be the next level.
Like Snapchat for YouTube.
Yeah, but I feel like it'll be exponential. Like, if you get famous off of Periscope content, that fame will only last.
Unless somebody saved it and re-uploaded it somewhere.
Yeah, then you can cross over with YouTube.
Then you can go
also-
viral on YouTube, yeah.
You'd have to be very stealthy.
What'd you call it?
What happened?
What did you... A stealthy?
No, you'd have to be very stealthy.
Oh,
to
stealth.
capture it.
Viral like the flu, you know?
Viral like the flu. Oh, people are talking, but I don't think I can see their chat.
Bro is watching.
Oh, is there like a chat that goes
Yeah, there's a little chat, and then something just popped up and I missed it. They said, all I saw was the word perv.
Perv.
Yeah.
Pretty sure more exciting stuff will be happening in
In
a little while.
a little while.
This is the most...
This could be exciting to some. You never know what floats people's boats.
Probably proper construction.
It's like the community volunteering for 1984 type scenarios.
Yeah,
Like
basically.
self-monitoring. You know, like you are acting as a security
I am Big
camera
Brother right now.
You are CCTV. Totally.
I am George Orwell.
I should write a book.
So everyone will constantly have updates.
Write it based on the year it is. What's it up to with the current year? Just write it about like a different year.